Dude, I don't know how brides do that. Salute to them. इतना heavy हो गया था. I was like, no, I have to change. And then I'm shooting this intro. Hello everyone, it's me Sampurna Karmakar, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, don't forget to consider subscribing, but only after watching this video and only if you like. तो आज के वीडियो के लिए one of my friend and subscriber suggested me कि I had already done this video which was a wedding guest makeup look. So she asked me to try the bridal makeup look. So for today's video, we are going to create a bridal makeup look. So like this is the makeup look, and if you want to know how I achieved this look and for the final bridal look with all the ornaments and everything going on, अगर आपको देखना है कि मैंने कैसे किया ये और आपको चाहिए एक tutorial, तो keep on watching. Also for people who are really like not into makeup and still watching my video, thank you so much, and you can go ahead and skip to the end, to the final, and see the final look and let me know in the comment section कि आपको कैसा लगा. And I am in my PJs, comfy PJs. So let's start. Before I begin, I will link everything in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out if you're in doubt. Primer, foundation, I wanted to use a full coverage foundation but है नहीं क्योंकि मैं गरीब हूँ. You can see the instant glow that the primer, that Swiss Beauty wala primer gives. I can't tell you how obsessed I am with that. Anyways, moving on. Concealer. अच्छा, अब ये corners में लगाने का क्या secret है, I'll tell you. It actually gives a very lifted look, और ये मैंने सीखा है the OG Shreya Jain से, and it actually works. Also, regarding this concealer, it was a highly recommended concealer by Nidhi Katiyar. Actually, ये करने से पता क्या होता है? You don't waste a lot of products on dab करोगे with either the sponge or the brush, so it stays in place and blend भी हो जाता है. आपको जो highlight करना है वो भी हो जाता है. पहले eyebrows कर लेंगे. So the makeup is done. Please let me know how you like it. Also, I will just put on my false lashes and all the jewelry and the bridal attire, and I'll be right back. That was all for this video. I will see you next time. You have reached till the end. Let me remind you to consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon uske bagal mein so that you get a notification. And thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I love you all. 100 is just the beginning. And that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Bye.